What's up guys, Jeremy coming to you guys with another video. Before we get into the video, as always, make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. And when you guys hit subscribe, please make sure you guys are hitting that notification button. So getting right into the video, I'm going to be walking you guys through on how to get the perfect pair of fitting pants for under $20. And I say under $20, but realistically, it probably ranges from like $20 to $30. And the reason why I say a range is because you're gonna be thrifting these pants, you're gonna need to go find those pants at the thrift store, at the bins, whether it's Goodwill, Salvation Army, or wherever you decide to thrift at. And that's the one thing I'll mention, thrifting for pants to me has always been the hardest thing. I've never really been able to thrift good pants. I know there are a ton of people though who manage to find good Carhartt pants, good, honestly, pants that just fit them pretty well and look pretty good with their sneakers. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, after a couple months of looking for a good pair of thrifted brown pants, I finally found a decent pair from Goodwill. And you guys might be thinking, why was this guy waiting months to find a pair of brown pants? I'm like, you can just go to any store really, right, and find brown pants. But I myself, I wanted to thrift them, get them perfectly tailored, hemmed, and showed you guys the process on how I get perfect pair of fitting pants. So right here we have the pants. Like I said, I got them from Goodwill. On the tag, they were listed originally as $7, I believe, $6 to $7. But when I checked out, they had 50% off pants that day. So got them for, I think it was like $4.50, something like that. So $4 for a pair of pants. And you guys will see, I'm not too sure how much she's gonna charge me, my tailor, to get these pants hemmed and then tapered a little just so they do fit a little bit more conform to my leg. But essentially these pants are brown Levi's. Whether they're actually real Levi's or not, I'm not too sure. I mean, they have the little Levi tag right there, but there's no other Levi branding on them. There's not like that iconic V that goes on the pocket. There's no tag at the back. Like, it looks like there used to be stitching and maybe someone ripped it all off. I'll say the other Levi branding is with the button. So I'm not sure if these are fake Levi's or what, but who knows, maybe this is like some off-brand Levi. And one thing I will say, these pants at the end of the day don't even fit me perfectly to the waist. These are a size 32, which I can wear if I wear a belt, pull a little bit tighter, but honestly I am probably a 30-30. That is how I like most of my pants. So I'm gonna show you guys a before on how these pants look. As you guys can see for the pants, they're very baggy, very long. Even with sneakers, they just drape a little bit too much, Even though people do like baggy pants now, right? Like, there's like a certain limit to it. Like, you still gotta make sure it looks good to your body. And I'll say, as a shorter guy, I'm 5'6", you wanna make sure that your baggy pants aren't overbearing. So you guys saw how bad the Levi's fit. Now I'm gonna bring them to my tailor and bring you guys along to show you guys the process on how I get my pants to fit better to my body. I'll show you guys and I'll tell you guys what I tell her on how I want the pants to look. Typically for myself, I'll bring an older pair of pants that fit pretty well and just have her basically imitate the dimensions onto this pair. So next stop is heading to the tailor's. So now I'm at the Alterations. Like I said, I would bring you guys along. I am currently in Houston. It's the day after Chinese New Year, so the streets are a little bit busy right now. The shop's name is Linh Alterations. The person that does alterations, her name is Linh. So if you guys are interested in coming, after you guys watch the video and you're like, damn, those pants actually fit pretty good, and you guys are interested in getting your pants done, make sure you guys go check her out. I'll put the address to her shop down below in the description. But also, if you guys do come, make sure you tell her that Jimmy brought you here. I don't want her to think, why the hell are all these random people coming to me? Because her place kind of is like a mom and pop spot. So I'm pretty sure not too many people know about her, but if you guys watch the video, go like, damn, those pants are pretty fire. Make sure you guys go check her out. It's pretty cheap, pretty affordable. Like I said, I'll do a price breakdown on how much the pants cost, how much the alterations cost. Everything is gonna be nothing too crazy. We'll go inside and we'll see how much she's gonna charge me. Now we're walking to her shop. I have the jeans. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have her basically match this top Wrangler pair. I'm gonna have her match all the fit like this. This is a pair of jeans that fits me pretty well. It's not too baggy, it's not too slim. So I think it's a good pair to base it off of. And if you guys don't have any jeans that you want already modeled after, you guys can come in and then she can do like a custom tailor to your leg. Here's the shop. Jimmy. So phone, okay. So I was gonna record and show you guys the whole process, but I mean, it was pretty quick and there was actually other people in there. So they didn't seem too comfortable about me recording because I walked in with my camera and my phone and they looked at me kind of side-eyed. So basically you bring your pants in like you guys saw. I brought in a pair of pants to use as a template. And how much she charged me, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I think she might have raised her prices because it's been a little while since I've been back, like almost 6 months to a year. I just haven't bought any pants that needed to get tapered. So what she charged me was to get a pair of pants like shortened and tapered in a little. She charged me $20. I could have sworn she used to charge $15 for that, but I mean, it is what it is, right? Like, she's like a mom and pop store, it's basically her own store. So I was gonna try to haggle, but man, it's Chinese New Year's, you gotta spread the wealth. So I was like, okay, you know what, I'll pay the $20 for one pair of pants. So definitely on the pricier end, but if you guys do shop around the Chinatown area, you guys can get a cheaper deal. Like I said, $20 is definitely on the pricier end in my opinion. For like, you gotta love these pants. I'll say for all these pants I got them for pretty cheap. So basically it comes out to be like $20 a pants. I gotta do an official breakdown at the end of the video, but like I said, I mean, you're supporting local mom and shop. I've been going to her since I was in like high school or something like that. My mom put me on. This is where she used to go. Just carrying on the tradition, I suppose, and making sure your clothes fit good. And turnaround time is typically, it kind of depends on how busy they are. I'll say today is Saturday, February 13th, I believe. So yeah, it's the 13th. It's the day before Valentine's, and she probably could have it done tomorrow, but Texas right now is having this crazy cold front where there's like icy roads and all that. So I don't think she's gonna be going into work on Sunday or Monday. So I'm gonna pick up the pants on Tuesday. So basically Saturday to Tuesday is the turnaround time, but I'm assuming if it was like a normal weather condition, she could maybe have it done in 1 to 2 days. So come around Tuesday, I'm gonna bring you guys along as well. So I'm gonna check in with y'all again on Tuesday, and then we'll see those pants.
A few moments later.
You guys can see we just picked up the pants. These are the jeans that I used as templates. Basically some jeans that I actually got done by her before, and this one I actually went in and I basically tried them on and I had them taper them, basically custom fit them to my liking, and I really like how these fit. So I basically just had her copy the fit and the length on those onto these 3 pairs of pants. This one's like a brown khaki, not a khaki, but like basically a brown pair of chinos. These fit pretty short and they're not too bad. This is a brown pair of Levi's that I think are gonna look really fire now that she's got them done. And this is a pair of vintage Levi's that I found at the Goodwill bins. I mean, these are a pretty normal pair of blue jeans, but pretty excited to try these on and show you guys how they fit. So you guys saw the whole process on me getting these pants tailored to my proper fit. Like I said, I brought in an older pair of pants and I basically wanted her to imitate that style, those dimensions on those pants onto this one here. And now I'm gonna show you guys an after look, and also I'll throw in a comparison to a before and after. I'll say myself, it looks way better. Like the first one, I guess you could pull off if maybe you're a little bit taller, but for myself, I'm not gonna feel confident in wearing those pairs of pants. And that's the one thing, right? When you wear your clothes, you wanna feel confident, you wanna feel like you look good. So getting your clothes tailored is honestly the one thing to always do if you feel like your pants or clothes don't fit you properly. And in total, I'll post the price of the pants and how much it costs to get the pants tailored. I mean, as you guys can see, super affordable, super cheap. If you guys are thinking about doing this, please go do so. The one thing I will say that the tailoring price will vary, right? I myself, I go to a place in Chinatown in Houston. I'll link them down below if you guys are interested in going to them. Make sure you guys tell them that I brought you there. But of course, if you go to like some fancy suit tailor, they might charge you a little bit more, or they most likely will charge you a little bit more. So make sure you guys find that local mom and pop shop, maybe in your Chinatown, maybe just in that type type of area that will tailor these pants for you, and I'm pretty sure you'll get a pretty good deal on them. But make sure you guys let me know what you guys think about the pants down below in the comments. Do you guys also tailor your pants? And if you aren't, why aren't you? Because like I said, you can get the perfect pair of fitting pants for super dirt cheap. And this doesn't really just apply to thrifted pants as well. Let's say you have a pair of Saint Laurent jeans, you know, and there's something off, a little off about them that you want to fit even more snug to your body, right? If you're paying $1,000 for a pair of jeans, I would hope that they would fit you pretty well. But if they don't, you know, why not go get them tailored? And it's gonna wrap up the video, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.